enche pi ena bosumi etwa mu ebeto odwa se Galamsey ho nsensem no okompesu ahodo so ne mensini ahodo no a wono mo ejije eto ewo ho na eto na omogije no omo ebeye Galamsey ewukuru ni mu no ena yeji wo moto enimsi ye wo mining mu ahodo bebre efem agudi etu no enyimaku a wo mutu no ahodo bebre ye mu ahodo na de Ghana yesi yempe na enye papa eye Galamsey na de baako a ana mfidi a Galamsey fo no ta yusu pa akese eye champagne ni ade a wo mu de kosi nsuo so ese nsuo ni ade yi mu fin ni ade di nuru frafra nsuo yi ejienam so ema EP Environmental Protection Agency womo de babontin se champagne machines no seni you seni ton seni use ya bani free October last year womo de that directives ni buy free ho bani nyina no se na mansini ahodo no dodo no ano womo da so efo so mamanfo use champagne no nti womo koje champagne no ho to na wokọ mansini ni mu a na watua utua sika ewo ho ansana wo champagne wanya kwanya ayusu ebra na EPS ya bane na champagne ubetua 3000 ena uyusu excavator so a ubetua eye 30000 ewo excavator no so eto ne ama sticker saa sem we eye Joy News yenso ntrofo ya multimedia sentrofo Erasu Sase de pania ode hyase nkakran wuramu a ena yemrantie mienu wonum su wura ase mempes mebo mudin wo masem because omo investigative journalist yede omo wura ase eteteye ekodi sa adwuma no ene yehu se na champagne no a abu a esensuo wo mansini ahodo no se DC fo no ne aban anamusifo no omo wo ho no kra no efoa so se wo mu nyusu champagne because wo mu yusu no kra omo kɔ hokɔgyeto ananse manfo tua ho to ansana wo mu de adi dwuma na bra Facebook behade wei eye yenhwehwemu a yeyeye yetu ni di tax for Galamsey na orafia behade kakra ewo bra amanse central na wo moji hu sika ayense ntrofo no epen krofo di animu a wo mutwe sika ne there are receipts are evidence ewo na ni nyina mu no say ene course
allegedly collected on Mondays. Akokoa Township, the seat of the district assembly, at Eskisu, one of the mining communities. It is time for us to uncover the loot. We secretly filmed every process and navigated the community on motorbikes. The assembly is where we intend to make payments and confirm every illegal mining scam.
Stick out. Stick out. Miss Officer Linkasawai. It is no matter man and I'm money in the Panakasawai. All right. Yeah, just take out.
Hours passed as we waited for the mining desk officer. Payments were allegedly collected on Mondays and Wednesdays alone.
Hallelujah. But your champagne back. I'm champagne okay. Pachani. One leg no. Pachani. We have about that bro. But the fight.
Better na nke pese kobe bikakra
enti wei eye documentary a efa tax for Galamsey no ho ebra amanse central na omojasem we ba abonte na mampani se ome enhwehwemu akoso na this week enrechia ena yesin kra bi ba abonte afa sa asemi ho because ensure for there as a fourth arm of government ni ewie adwuma ye de ne se de enko yie no ye behwere na ye mpanimfu asochiri no mahwe na asem bi fraban mu ba asem bi fraban mu ba no unim se nipa bebre akasa including civil society organizations ne bebre se etwa so omo ye involved in this particular extortions wo sa tax for Galamsey no no esi yetimi twe omaso including aban we mu nkrofo kra bi eka sa asem no but asem e free mampani ehwo ba ye ne se ko na menko ye boni biem ne yetie ne se omunim se champagne no a na omoje to wo so no enya de beboa Galamsey ne kun nti na emwa but the aban kani was stop Galamsey immediately. Stop taxing Galamsey immediately or face sanctions. Eti osu emunya eto a womoje ewo Galamsey so no. Champagne excavators no mde Galamsey omunya eto na omoje wo so no. Enye saa ono aban ne betwe omaso. Na se de edikan no. Ni bone no medikan aye na anasa na mo mutuye no. The justification na me kan yewra felisofosu kwache ne nsem ode betu dwa no o kire ne se aban dada no apenso na nado dan kwa ekufu ado apenso na omoje nti ye ade assemblies ni nyina ye district assemblies ni municipalities na ye Galamsey wo hone wo mom tutu ayi na ye ade omoye dada eti DC we fu no beto ye e na omusu ye bie eti afei na aban se eme yenye eti we de omumfu omuhunkodi na emomom nyi biem. And that is where na maso kakra, and I was a bit surprised because one, nienti America sa ne se ye ka kire MMDCs ne se ma wo mon taxe champagne any excavators no enye enough. To me, that directive no enye enough because of the fact that MMDC bia wo the district no enim say Galamsey koso wo ho omo age tax nyina mansia central ene omo ekeka ho no a omo tax champagne ni nyina anim dwuma omo de champagne ni di wowura mu ho. And it took a investigative journalist multimedia ene ko wura mu ho ekohu se nkrofo no Galamsey. It's not that they be obi de ne champagne ko keke ene yese oh champagne na wo de ko de ye je 20 mu amoje to no munya yu omu ye Galamsey. That's the problem. If the tax is not wrong mo se abanda da no apenso no omoje enti omoje tax ne enye bone enti enu ntikura mo ntwe omaso a meti ase. But the fact say omu ye DCs MMDCs omatena ho ahwe ama Galamsey no koso wo ho ne de eto no magene de wo se enye bone a meti wase o de omo ho ache omo woto no ho a meti ase. But Galamsey na akoso wo ho no a omo ahwe han a DC MC they are in charge of the municipal and district security. Ye kan bambofo a ewo mansini ni mu a omo ne da no a eso omo hwese ye boy nsase ye japade ho ban because wo hwe man no a constitution na e japade a ye wo nyina all the natural resources including nsase ni nyina e hye mampani nsa enti ye yi obi se DC MC a wo si mampani anamu wo mansini ni mu nti ye se wo hwe se obebo sa nsase ni nsuo ni japade ni nyina ho ban enti so obi ba no wo ye Galamsey a wo ma no kwan enu nti na wo ye in charge of security as asrafo wo district kra wo na ahwe wo so your friend say police for ho a wo na wo hwe se bibia betumi akoyie ti wo mo bambo ni ade nyina. And if such a DC MC etimi atena ho mamanfo de champagne abewura mu akoye Galamsey akoye illegality a we just look on ya hwene saa ka se oh monko na monko ye boni bi me say se wo se tax na omo je ye no enye boni a because eye ade e wo hodada Galamsey nso ekoso a o ma ya hwe han no so a omo ma ne koso e ho no so no na DC ne competence ene de hin MC no ni dwumadie pa ene de wo hin. We need to be serious. ne make bi a wonte ase ensem bebre akoso okromu a and bra Facebook behade make say kura no ankobra just about a week ago and Erastus my current video behade ye hote ensuo no a ye ka ho asem no maybe you don't know how serious it is but behwe Galamsey na to ntwae and Galamsey is still going on bra Facebook behade we ankobra just about 7 days ago and Erastus editor so
where the guy only the reason. No, where the guy the watch the thing. That would do. Bring the canoe and come and pick some. There are 2 people. You got 2 of 1. Where the guy only the reason. No, where the guy watch the thing. That would do. Bring the canoe and come and pick.
We yes soldiers are 9 months for ni bia Akokoa. Champagne no mde esi nsuo no so hunu nsuo no nti behwe nsuo a teneko.
Where the guy only the reason. No, where the guy watch the thing. That would do. Bring the canoe and come and pick some.
Wo de we yan cobra ma memfa wasa akropon de so enche wasa akropon me pese wo hwe the situation at hand wasa akropon de no so enyansem ketwa ewo ho hawa Galamsey no so ekoso den a amanfo eye no ho and this is just some few weeks ago. We dey wanya kokuduro atwa ne video o tichi some fine na no ebisa so ope workers
anene to me here workers am baba be bua me o me here workers
Ejuba Facebook ene wo ho no they are working che say omumfa hwe ho ye tete some fine we ye mono ye se abane ye mpese bewuram mono pa na omotete ano wa no come and see how with this na the last one am de be kire baby a fish kura enya home ewu emwa no fish no womu ewu and they are happy say I had ye tutu you and ye yi omo hwe womu ni ye de omo tu nsuo mo ko it is a fish we egura nsuo no mu a na obi ko kye no de ba ye be kwa kotodok no wo be kye amaye ene da so no And these are some of the happenings happening. Na yenim de Galamsey edeba na researcher akoswa ekyerese Galamsey ni diewu ene ye kontomre ye banche ye duane ye dikura ehu because of the cyanide mercury ni ade a wo de friends you no ni nyina nso ye Galamsey ni dwumadi a wo mu di a yes ye gina nsuom edi Galamsey ni wo nsuom na I am surprised say Yebeka say these people should just stop taking the tax. But young calling for accountability as to say, woman ye DC ewo krom ho no, o matena wa ya hwehan ma Galamsey no ekoso. Because no ma mienu e na sa documentary no identify ye ehu ye. Ba ko ye se omo gyeto. Mienu ye se Galamsey ekoso ho. Enti wontimi ma meka nkyere se etuo no nko an wa hwe abu ho asem se na ye gye dadanti o ma age a enye hwe etiyam efri na ekro de momo nyi biem na wunyai the second aspect which is the ongoing Galamsey ewo mpesu ya no so no and the DCs o mko gye to ho no o mu hu se ekoso edi se wo hu se ekoso na wantimi am prevent dia na se sa wo DC no ka Galamsey no that is a fact se wo hu se ekoso wo mpesu ya so now the etuo na abegine hu ne hia na wantimi an stop that illegality na na kyɛ sɛ wɔn so yɛ Galamsey a woka ho bi enti saa ɛna munyai toɔ na gye nko asɛm amampani wo kae no a wo de ba sɛ nhwɛmu akɔ no mu ayɛ no I disagree totally because these DCs are not competent in stopping Galamsey. Said you when you brace up person stopping Galamsey no. In fact, promise I would ma Ghana for a so maybe to Obama when ye Galamsey honsem. Because na yesuru bebre na nim si ye be wu. It is abre na ye ni abre no o ka kire na do dan kwaku fu ado se. Eye ne responsibility say or stopping Galamsey. And now you have a kire ye say when we say won crofo no e bi nso ka ho. And sa won crofo na e bi ka ho no. E bi ni sa DC fo we no. E bi ni sa DC fo we no because they didn't only take the tax from Champagne no so. They also supported the Galamsey. Because to me can chem say we DC utim pesu a Galamsey koso. Na wabu ani agusu a yenka sa wuni mu honre. This is what Mahama said, 2024.
As Sam George said, President Akokoa said I should come out clearly on Galamsey. It looks like he doesn't live in this country because I've commented on Galamsey over and over again. The people of Ghana elected him. He is currently the president of Ghana. And it is his responsibility to deal with Galamsey now. I know that after 7th January 2025, when Ghanaians have voted for me, I will take that responsibility and we will sort out. So, Sana, what's your responsibility? But what do you say on ya? 7th January 2025, Ghana for two abani yeswe in Nhyira. And some of these people, some of these DCs, they are corporates. Because you can't tell me say what to impress you so Galamsey ne koswa. Won't stop no. But you rather go there and take tax. Edi mu aye na mo de bae no. Say wo munyai tax na nko age. Ye asotwe bia nko bibia nko just because the omo wo ban mu ana. I don't understand. I don't get it. I don't really get it. This wasn't the promise. Because ukra de oka kire say wo ba omo aye chichi omo ye boys no mo hwewura mu ho no. Enya omo kra na ye problem no. Akesifuo bi tisa appointees ni esikafuo bi omo hyehyɛ ase no. They are the people that should be arrested. And we are avoiding punishing those people. Now you go around.
Not in prison. Those who are in prison are the small boys that they employ to work on their Galamsey concessions. And so they are victims of circumstances. And so if we are coming with a new fight against Galamsey, let's start by giving them amnesty. Let's bring them out, reform them, and do the things that will make them not go and do what they've done again. If somebody must be in prison, it's those district chief executives and ministers and others who are doing the Galamsey, not the people they are employing. Executives and ministers and others who are doing the Galamsey, not the people they are employing.
We one akai His Excellency John Dramani Mahama that a DC ni ministers ni mpanimfo no mo ye Galamsey no na ese ye twe o maso eche wo mo enye boys na egugu ramu wo no because omo kro mo ntimi nto excavator ene Champagne no. These were your words. These were your words. But edru sankrofo no so a I think said the tune no esesa. Edru sankrofo no so a tune no esesa. Me see this district chief executives ni MCs one wo mo eti pesua so a Galamsey ekoso wo no. These people are incompetent and they need to be changed. And I say ye sake wo because they looked on omo hwe ya mane koso until Joy News and ekoye sa revelation. It didn't na say omo sa atena ho. I don't get it. I don't really get it. If we are serious to fight Galamsey there, any see so sankrofo we so. E kunipa o. Enuboni no ekoye nuanim, but we are looking on. Because mo share bebre say you are going to fight even with AI. Who the AI bekun, baby a obi a hye bia wo ye Galamsey no. AI no be detect and that's no. I will use artificial intelligence to fight Galamsey Mahama 15th May 2024. artificial intelligence na way AI no a de be ko Galamsey na way 1 year on you hurry on that. It is still the old method. Yemfa sojafuo mum, yemfa polisifuo mum, eno a ende ese na do ye. Eno de so ye. The only thing na metimi aka say, wo ya ade wo ho ye say airline na ma kwan me akura forest reserve ekotu Galamsey no. Mu repeatedly ye. Apart from that, sojafuo ye de ko ne sa na o ma ne de, ene obi aye. I'm also thinking, sir, also a clearing agent, sir, because these DCs must be accountable for their leadership in the district and municipalities. Apart from the tax issue, no crown, almost supervisory role, leadership role there to protect the lands and natural resources. No? And we just leave them like that. That will serve motivation for other DCs. Say, oh, yeah, cry, no, almost what was an illegality is illegality. I'm so disappointed. The response about for tax for Galamsey. We expected much stricter punishment to be an answer bibia ebekoso. But this one, I say, we are not serious to fight the Galamsey. I'm ending with that. There were two sides of the issue: tax and the ongoing Galamsey. Tax in the year. My catcher say, I don't have problems. I'll still mind that anwa. But Galamsey no mutna woman a course on the day. They must face some punishment. And yes, idea. I will see that worse, no. And where you saw the fight Galamsey, His Excellency, and fact. Because near Crady and him said 3 months Galamsey to be chat. And at the corner dear. I ne yanko bradia ye die na say anodin ko we told say by 3 months crowd ya strafo ne de wo nyina no ebeko Sam George ne kan say the way ya wire prepared ne de that's what will happen.
I believe that the Ghana Armed Forces and the Ghana Police Service put together, if you give them 3 months to end Galamsey and you resource them and there is no political intervention from anywhere, they will end Galamsey.
That is it. It is Excellency John Dramani Mahama. We are serious about this Galamsey matter. We are serious about this Galamsey matter. I said, say, Obi Bia was sponsor Galamsey, a support to Galamsey. We are metamfo outright. Because we are within it. TNT mean transmamu politicians in Galamsey. E we support to Galamsey. Nebe wiase no momo yire ne mumma mode o makogu abruchi bi suade wo ebi ye adwuma wo ebi didi wo ne ade ne ye tia ne yedi enuanefo na makuri ni sign na de akokom no. And even at all mo kra mo abusuafo wo ha no, they don't go to the markets we go. Mutimi ra organic shop no makoto e wo so na ne bo eden mo akoto to because o mine ye na ehwem until you don't feel what we feel. Man fo nya kidney problems. And how I cost in our research actually say Galamsey is part of it. And we are joking around it. Say stop taxing. And that's all. Nothing. No punitive measures be are. Are we serious? Yeah, intimate got us and running in any media is ye hypocrite.
Nhyira 104.5.
Even at all, I just realized say Mampenia Samo can say almost stop taxing no crano. Oh, he doesn't even have the authority to stop any tax. To stop any tax. Mampeni. Because I did that way I am rano there. I did parliament, so convention. And be a that way I'm right for taxing. I just parliament and answer assembly na. Yes, a particular bylaws and answer convention. And won't be to me Asia. Or they get lawyer Gemfi for me. Na pe kakra mehunu womuno. These directives no. Ekra come ready mua. DCB busu kura na yentimi nhyɛ da nyɛ ne hwee until say saa ahyɛdeɛ na ɔmo yɛ wɔ assemblies ni ade ɔmo ayi afiri hɔ assemblies na ayi afiri hɔ nyɛ saa yɛaka ne kɛkɛ baabi bitumi akɔso agye a mmerɛ bi ntia wɔn we are not serious abusua meba
Nhyira 104.5 FM.